Just want to post this for my retro arcade game fans and buds out there. You guys upgrade your speakers and your KI like I did. A lot of times there's that hum that turns on if you have the machine off, but the speakers are still on. So you've got to either turn off each one individually or do some other kind of mechanism. It's kind of difficult when you've got a smart switch in there. What I found I can do to control it through the power of the cabinet is actually buy this Sunbeam strip. I'll show you guys this thing. Basically what ends up happening is you'll plug your cable into the master for the power unit for the arcade 1-up. And then for the speakers, you plug it into one of the controlled. And you got to make sure that this button's down on low. At least I did. And what's going to end up happening is as soon as you turn off your cab, then it should turn off the sound and you won't hear that hum. So here we go. I think it actually takes a couple of seconds. There you go. That's it. Peace.